Ever spent hours stitching customer data from 12 different sources just to get a fuzzy picture of behavior? The Customer Analytics Pack crushes that chaos with automated RFM segmentation, gradient boosted CLV modeling with Monte Carlo scenario simulations, Cox proportional hazards for churn risk scoring, and interactive Sankey diagrams for behavioral flow analysis. Say goodbye to spreadsheet hell. This is for quantitative analysts drowning in CSVs, BI specialists battling Tableau workbooks, and ML engineers tired of rebuilding pipelines from scratch. Master customer insights without the manual grind. Here's what's inside the Customer Analytics Pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies for high cardinality categorical variables. Pre-built clustering pipelines using HDB scan for behavior-based segmentation. CLV prediction modules with BG NBD model comparisons and profit margin sensitivity analysis. Churn risk identification with SHAP value explainers for root cause attribution. Behavioral pattern visualization using dynamic cohort heat maps and sequence mining dashboards. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From raw data to boardroom-ready insights, faster than your CEO can say, customer centricity. Installing the Customer Analytics Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add customer-analytics pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: data cleaning scripts, trained XGBoost CLV models, churn prediction APIs, and Looker Studio dashboards. No more hunting for datasets or debugging open source libraries. Your next coffee script session will have more structure than a Starbucks menu. When you're done, your AI assistant becomes a customer analytics wizard, automatically versioning models, optimizing hyperparameters, and even drafting your stakeholder presentations. Now that's what I call a power-up.